Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can charge your Shokz OpenMove. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is that here where you're going to have the plus and minus buttons, there you're going to have this button right here. It's not even a button, it's like something for closing the charging. So you have to open it. Do you see that? So you're going to have it closed and you have to take a nail and just open it. And then you're going to see right here. Then what you have to do is just like insert the USB-C cable and just plug it to your laptop or to your adapter. And this is how you're going to charge it. It's super simple. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you how you can actually charge your Shokz OpenMove. And that's it. Have a great day and goodbye.